Hello friends, this is Rohit Giri with another exercise 5.2 class 7. So बच्चों इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 7 के एक्सरसाइज 5.2 को. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इफ यू सी दैट, सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, find the value of the following exponent. Okay, we have to find the value of given exponent. So just look at the first question is written that 2 by 3 to the power 4 multiply 2 by 3 to the power 5. So here we have to find the value of find the value of the following in exponent form. Okay, just look at here. If you consider these two terms, 2 by 3 to the power 4 and 2 by 3 to the power 5, so here base are same. It means this and this base are same. So just, and we know that the law of exponent ki a to power b into a to the power c, so the resultant is a b plus c. Okay, so just simplify here. I write here 2 by 3 to the power 4 plus 5 because the base are same. So the result is that 2 by 3 to the power 4 plus 5 9. So this is your answer, and asking the same thing. Now just as question number second is given that minus 8 to the power 8 upon 11 to the power 2 into minus 8 upon 11 minus 8 upon 11 to the power 11. So just look at here, also the following the same formula. So just write 8 upon 11 once time and just add this exponent. So the result is minus 8 upon 11 to the power 9. 11 plus 2 is 13, and this is your answer. I hope got it. Okay, now just look at the second. If I talk about the question number, something different type of question, just look at the question number third. So is writing that 5 by 9 to the power 7 and divide by 5 by 9 to the power 4. Okay, so this is follow the property of this a to the power b divided a to the power c. So what we write? We write here a to the power b minus c. We just subtract this exponent. So doing the same condition here, just look at this is 5 by 9 and this is 5 by 9. Both are in same form. So just write here simply in the form 5 by 9, and what you have to do? First exponent minus second exponent. So your result is that 5 by 9 to the power 3, because 7 minus 4 is 3, and this is your answer. I hope you got it, students. Yes, definitely. Now just look at the question number 4. I am taking the each and every question because, okay, just leave this one because this is the same. Now just on the question number 5th is that is 2 by 3 to the power 2 and to the power 5. This is a different type of question, but we know the formula of that. What is the formula? Actually formula is that, if we talk about formula, student, so formula is that a to the power b, a to the power m into the power n. So this is a to the power m into n. Okay, so what you have to do, just look at here. You have to just simply 2 by 3 to the power 2 into 5. Just multiply these two exponent, and your result will be 2 by 3 to the power 5 to the 10. This is 10, and this is your answer. Okay, now look at the next question. Next question is that question number 2. First, what is saying that simplify. So first question is that 2 by 9 to the power 2 into 3 by 4 to the power 3. I just look at these two numbers are different types. Okay, and 2 by 9 to the power 2 into 3 by 4 to the power 3. So if we think, firstly we think if this function maybe work on a formula then we apply the formula. But here is no one formula is like this. So what you have to do, just expand this term in the form of exponent. So 2 by 9 into 2 by 9. This is multiplication, so simply just into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Why? Because the power is 3. That's why I am doing this. Okay, just look at this thing. Next you have to do just write this thing like that. Otherwise you can also do these things. What, these 3 cancel this 3 9, and this 3 also cancel this thing. So you can, if you want doing that, so you can do here. Otherwise you don't want to do this thing here, just make one more step like this. So this will become 9 into 9 into 4 into 4 into 4. Now what, students? 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, again this thing is that 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Look at 2 2s are 4 and this is 4. Finish. So what you have to remember, just look at here on the numerator side, it means this side you have only 1 into 1 into 1, it means only 1, and denominator you have 3 into 4 into 4. It means what you have to, 1 upon 3 4s are 12 and 12 4s are 48. So answer is 1 upon 48. Okay. Okay, so just take the next example. Question number second is that minus 5 by 6 to the power 3 divided by minus 3 by 10 की power 2. Okay, just look at this, how to solve this question. So that's a very easy question to solve. What you have to do, look at this. This is minus 5 by 6. Okay, minus 5 by 6 to the power 3. And what you have to do, this is very basic things you have to know. Just look at, this is sign of division. Okay, so just change this sign in multiplication. Okay, division sign changes in multiply. And what you have to do next is that just look at this number. This is minus 3 by 10. So you have to do, just change minus 10 by 3. Don't change this sign, just you change the place of numerator and denominator. Okay, this is 10 by 2 to power 3 or 2. Now this value just write here, 5 by 6 into minus 5 by 6 into minus 5 by 6 into minus 10 by 3 into minus 10 by 3. Clear, students? Good. Now what you have to go, you have to done right now 3 by 10. Yes, so this is 5 into 5 into 5 into 10 into 10. So just look at 1 time minus, 2 time minus, 3 time minus. Okay, 4 time and 5 time minus, so minus will become definitely. And this is 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So this will be 125 and 10 10s are 100, so this will be 0 0. Okay, this is also divisible, but okay, just divide it. Okay, just divide it. Just look at, just wait just a minute. Okay, look at, students, 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. Now it's good. Now just look at right now, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Just look at 5 5s are 25, this is 25. 5 5s are 25, this is 25. 25 5s are 625 into 5. How much is that? 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 to 12, 2 carry 1. 5 6 are 30, 30 and 31. Okay, now this is minus 3125 upon, this will be what? 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, and 81 6s are how much? 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. This is be 486, and this is your final answer. Okay, so I think you got 2 answers here. Okay, just jump on the next question. So I am directly go on the next question. This will be question number third. Okay, so is given that show that question number 3 is that I'm just erasing these things. Okay, is so that you have to show that in the question number 3 saying that show that what you have to show, just look at is saying that 4 by 5 to the power 2 power 3 is equal to 4 by 5 square into 3. Okay, simple. So here is two sides, which is this is LHS and this is RHS. First we take LHS. So LHS is equal to what? LHS is equal to given that 4 upon 5 to the power 2, after that to power 3. So this value is that 4 by 5, it means 4 square and 5 square. 4 square and 5 square power 3. So this will become 16 upon 25 power 3. It means what? 16 cube upon 25 cube. And this is very long value. So we have to make what we have to get. 16 square is equal to what? This will be, I'm also forgetting, just a wait. 16 into 16. So 6 is the 36, 3, 6 is 69, 16 6 is 96. Okay, 160. So this will become 6, yes, 256. Thanks. Now just multiply again with 16 because we have to know the value of 6 cube. So 6 6 is 36, 6 carry 3, 6 sorry, 6 5 is 30 and 3 33 carry 3, and 6 2 is 12, 12 3 15, and 6 5 2. So this will be 6 5 3 6 9 and 5 5 10 0 and 2 1 3 and 4. So this will be 44,000. So this will be 4096 upon, and this will be, we know that 25 square is equal to 625, and when we multiply 25 again, so we will get what? Just look at 5 5 is 25, 5 carry 2, 5 2 is 10 to 12, 2 carry 1, 5 is 30 and 31. And when we multiply by 2, so 5 2 is 10, 2 2 is 4 1 5, and 6 2 is 12. So 5 2 6 5 1. So this will be 15 6 25. This will be the value of LHS. If the same values come for the RHS, so our answer is correct, otherwise it is wrong. Just look at how we will get. So okay, first I erase this thing. Just wait, let me erase everything on a which is unnecessary. Okay, after that, okay, just look at the student, this value is very easy, and you can also solve the second thing which is given that it is correct. Okay, so jump on the next question. Next pattern, which is RHS. RHS is given that how much? 4 by 5 to the power 2 into 3. It means what? 4 by 5 to the power 5 3 is sorry 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6. This is 6. Okay, so it means what? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. How much times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, 6 times. And now this is 6 into 5 into 5 into, just wait, sorry, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 3 to 5 1 6 times. Now when you multiply now, then definitely you get the value of this 4096, and this value is 15625. Definitely you get. So here okay, I'm just doing shortcut because I know that the value are same. if you have any doubt that this is not equal, so just you multiply and get you the value. I'm damn sure you will get the same value, this and this. It means here you get LHS is equal to RHS are same. Okay, so if LHS and RHS are equal, so we can simply say that it is correct, both sides are equal. Okay, let's go take one more question of this exercise. After that we will finish this exercise. Okay, I'm just taking the question number 4th one. Yeah, otherwise third one, just take third one. Is given that minus 2 by 3 square divide by 1 by 2 square is equal to minus 2 by 3 square upon 1 by 2 square. It is given that. Okay, so just look at, take LHS first. LHS, so it's minus 2 by 3 square divide by 1 upon 2 square. So I already told you 2 by 3, just put this value separately, and what you have to do, this is division, so just change the sign of this and change this value. Clear? Okay, so now just look at minus 2 by 3, it means 2 square 3 square, so 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9 into, and this will be 2 square, it means 4. So answer is 4 4 is 16 by 9, and this is your answer. Just look at the for the RHS. Now take out the RHS. RHS is equal to what? This value is minus 2 by 3, it is square upon 1 by 2 square. Okay, so if I square these things, so we get 4 by 3 upon, and this will be 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 na, because this is square. So students, just look at, this will be changed 4 by 3, and this will become a reciprocal, this will be 4 upon 1. Just wait, where is the 3? I'm just doing something wrong this side, this will be 9. Okay, just wait, this will be 9, I'm doing some mistake this side. Okay, this is 9 and this is 9, and here this is 4 4 just 16 and this is 9. So here we get LHS is equal to RHS, and they show that both are equal, sides are equal, it means it is correct. So friends, here we will finish our exercise 5.2. we finish exercise 5.2, and when we meet the next exercise, when we discuss the exercise 5.3. Okay friends, have a nice day, see you tomorrow, and tell me how the videos is, and if you have any suggestion, go comment box and write there. Okay friends, have a nice day and Jai Hind.